they're cleaning my glasses on days. Parang may chemical na nilagay. So since the launching of Ondays here in the Philippines, I've been buying their glasses kasi reasonably priced. It doesn't really matter if the lens is with a high grade or low grade. Other na mga mga optical kasi dependent on yung mga salamin, no? They have their mga display here in SM Lanang na area. Okay, so different na mga glasses. So wala akong salamin, so I cannot see, no? Nakita. So under treatment yung glasses, ano? Kiluhan niya. No? Under treatment. Parang niluluto. Ini-clean up yung glasses. So you have part of their parang their siguro warranties, no? Yung cleaning, pagpaayos, align. So wala akong glasses ngayon. So practically you have difficulty in seeing yung mga surroundings. Taas yung grade, 700 to 800 na glasses. Let us see what happens. Na kini-clean niya na area. So we have different setup here. Mostly cleaning facilities.